What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Top Market Trading here, and today I'm coming back with another major Tilray update for you guys. And in this video, guys, I'm going to be talking about why Tilray is popping off today, and also why Tilray is going to be a good buy for the future. So you guys definitely want to stick around for this video. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys go down below, hit that subscribe button, and also check out my channel. I make a bunch of stock and crypto videos every week about the best stock and crypto going into 2021 that you guys definitely don't want to miss out on. And also, guys, I just opened up a free Discord. The link down below in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. It's free to join. Like I said, we talk about stocks all day, offer the best stock callouts every morning, and also offer one-on-one training to help you guys better tackle the market. So on that note, guys, let's get back into this video about Tilray. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at Tilray's charts for today's trading session, as you guys can see here, they're currently trading at $16.18, up around 27% for today's trading session, which is massive, guys. If you go ahead and take a look at yesterday's trading session, as you guys can see here, there was a little bit of a sell-off, and they closed around $12.71, and they jumped from $12.71 all the way up to around a high of $16.32 for today's trading session, which is massive, guys. That is a major $4 plus gain right there for anyone who bought in yesterday. And this jump is mainly due to the fact that Tilray reported earnings earlier this morning, and guys, they destroyed their earnings. As you guys can see here from this article from the nasdaq.com, the big news from its fiscal fourth quarter earnings release was just that, earnings. Tilray said that it had a net income of $33.6 million compared to a loss of $84.3 million in just a year ago period. Guys, that is massive. Literally, Tilray, and guys, you have to remember, Tilray was the company who merged with Afria, and they are based out of Canada. They literally turned an $84.3 million debt into a profit in just 1 year, guys. That is massive. That means technically, if we add up 84.3 million, let me pull out my calculator real quick, 84.3 plus 33.6, that means they made that year just in revenue alone 117.9 million, guys. But of course, they were in a deficit, so after taking all that out, it comes out to around 33.6 million, which they made in just a year. So that is big, guys. I'm super excited to see what Tilray has to offer within the next year coming, because I think this right here is a really good sign that this company is doing the right things at the right times, guys. Now, on top of that, guys, analysts had predicted a net loss of 12 cents per share, and the stock's move higher reflects how much investors appreciate the 18 cents per share profit that was reported instead. Now, guys, that is massive. As you guys can see here, like I said, that massive jump from $12 all the way up into this $15, $16 area that we're currently seeing right now is a really good sign. So if we go ahead and pull back Tilray's charts, as you guys can see here, they've just been on a constant downtrend ever since around early June, when they were trading around the low to mid $20 range. And as you can see here, they've pulled back a hefty amount, probably around 50% of what they were in June. And guys, with these earnings that just reported, and the fact that many analysts on Wall Street were thinking that Tilray was going to have another negative quarter, and this just basically blew everyone's mind. So now Tilray, in my opinion, is going to start moving up to probably retest those levels that we saw back in early June, probably up here in the high teens, $18 to $22, $23 range. But before we get into that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and just say I'm not a financial advisor. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. But for educational purposes only, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my personal technical analysis of Tilray stock and what I think it's going to be doing heading into the future. So guys, as you guys can see here, the price target for a lot of people right now for Tilray is probably going to be this $16 area. As you guys can see here, if we pull back the chart and we actually chart it out, you can see here that they're currently trading at $15.87. If we look at that level of trading and we draw a line, you guys can see here that this $15.89 level happened to be a major major support level for Tilray back around early July. As you guys can see here, it did manage to consolidate in this level for a couple of days at the $15.89 level, and once it finally was done consolidating, it broke and spiked up all the way to $17.43. So guys, what I'm hoping for Tilray, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but what I'm hoping for is for us to show another sign of consolidation just like this. And once the volume starts picking up and more people start getting heat of Tilray, maybe it can probably happen to pop up on Wall Street Bets' radar. If it can get support from Wall Street Bets, then we are definitely going to slowly consolidate here and retest this crucial point here at $16.80. Now guys, why is $16.80 a crucial level? Well, if we go ahead and draw a line right there, you guys can see here that this happens to be a resistance point, right? At one point they were consolidating here at this level at $16.80, and they were consolidating to try and break through but failed, fell to this support level here at the $15.89 like I mentioned before, and as you can see here, consolidated, slowly came up to retest this resistance again at $16.92. It broke, came back down, tried to retest it again, didn't make it, and came back down. So what I'm hoping, guys, is for us to slowly come back up, right, to retest this blue line. And if we can break it, guys, and break that blue line, then we're definitely going to be retesting the $17.42 area. And if we can break that, guys, then we're definitely shooting back up to the $18 to $20 range for sure for Tilray. Now, another thing to keep a note is the RSI level for Tilray in today's trading session. As you guys can see here, for the most part of today, it has been in the 60 to upwards of 90 RSI, which is just ridiculous. And for those of you who don't know, the RSI stands for Relative Strength Index, and it basically tells you if a stock is overbought or oversold. And in this case, if it's above 70, that means it's very overbought and looking to have a cool down period where it sells off. And as you guys can see here, when it hit 93 RSI, it reached a peak of $16.13, and as you can see here, it sold off. And that's what happens for most of the time when it hits a 70 RSI like that. That means it's basically overbought and people are looking to sell at that point. So as you guys can see here, the RSI has been relatively high for today's trading session, so I wouldn't be surprised if we go into tomorrow's trading session and Tilray looks to be cooling off. And if that does happen, then I'm looking at this level of support for Tilray at the $14.58 line right here. And if we can just, fall down, it cools off to this $14.58 line, and we hold there and slowly start to consolidate to retest these levels of resistance, then that's going to be a really good sign for Tilray going into the future that it's going to be a very healthy stock. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys go down below, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to check out my channel as well. Like I said, we make the best stock callouts every morning, talk about stock and crypto every week, also offer one-on-one trading to help you guys better tackle the market. So on that note, guys, good luck in your trading session tomorrow, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.